What's up YouTube? This is Print Practical. I have a hole in this piece of drywall here and I'm going to use my 3D printer to help me patch it. I'm going to print out a rectangular that's pretty similarly shaped, press it in, and then we'll patch over it and it should be done. All right. I know what people are thinking right now. They're like, why not just get a small piece of drywall or get a drywall patch kit and then fill it in with spackle and be done? Well, I'm lazy. So I don't want to leave my house. I have a 3D printer that's capable of doing the job, so that's what I'm going to do. Here's our printed patch. Put it up to the hole. That fits all right. Let me tap that in with a hammer, and then I can patch it with some spackle. It's in the wall, pretty solid now. So I'm going to take some joint compound, and I'm just going to smear it in around here. First coat of joint compound on there. We'll let that dry and then sand it down, put another coat on, let it dry, sand it down, and then we should be ready for paint. First coat sanded, time to hit it with a second coat. The second coat is on and sanded, and it's super smooth, so it's time to paint it. So here's the finished product. It looks pretty decent. On camera, you can definitely see where I spackled, and it's probably just my crappy spackle job. Plus, my wife insists on getting semi-gloss paint, which shows every little imperfection. But I can't blame that on the 3D printer. It came in clutch, and this turned out pretty good.